Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing extinction of criminal liability. Extinction of criminal liability. Ang extinction of criminal liability ay tumutukoy sa pagkawala o pagwawakas ng pananagutang kriminal ng isang tao. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya mananagot o paparusahan sa krimeng itinakda ng batas dahil sa mga dahilan na kinikilala ng batas. May dalawang klase ng extinction of criminal liability. First, total extinguishment, and second, partial extinguishment. Let us discuss each. Total extinction of criminal liability. Sa total extinction, it means totally wala na siyang criminal liability. Total extinction of criminal liability completely absolves the offender from the legal effects of the crime, including any criminal penalties and in some cases, civil liability arising from the offense. Kailan may total extinction? First, by the death of the convict as to the personal penalties and as to pecuniary penalties. Liability, therefore, is extinguished only when the death of the offender occurs before final judgment. Kapag namatay ang accused o convict, wala na siyang kriminal na pananagutan. Paano naman yung civil arising from the crime, katulad ng danyos, babayaran pa rin ba? Ang sagot ay depende kung kailan namatay. Kung namatay siya before finality ng decision, walang criminal liability, wala din civil liability arising from the crime. Pag namatay siya after finality, meaning may decision na at final na yung decision, wala na siyang criminal liability, pero yung civil liability niya arising from the crime ay mayroon pa rin. Kukunin ito sa naiwan niyang ari-arian. Pag namatay naman siya, pending appeal, meaning may decision ang lower court at inappeal siya sa higher court, it means hindi pa final yung decision. So, walang criminal liability, wala ding civil liability arising from the crime. Second, by service of the sentence. By service meaning natapos na niya. Kung hinatulan siya ng 10 years na kulong at natapos na yung 10 years, wala na siyang criminal liability. Third, by amnesty, which completely extinguishes the penalty and all its effects. Fourth, by absolute pardon. I-discuss po natin ito in detail sa separate videos. Fifth, by prescription of the crime, and sixth, by prescription of the penalty. Na-discuss na po natin ito, i-check nyo itong mga videos na to. 7. By marriage of the offended woman as provided in Article 344 of the Revised Penal Code. Applicable lang itong marriage sa mga cases na ito: qualified seduction, simple seduction, forcible abduction, consented abduction, acts of lasciviousness, tsaka rape. Ibang crime wala pong effect ang marriage. Provided po na ang marriage ay contracted in good faith. So kung binilit ni accused na pakasalan siya ng victim, hindi po valid ang marriage and thus tuloy pa rin ang kaso. 8. Decriminalization. Ito naman pag sinabi ng batas natin na ang isang gawa ay hindi na considered crime, then wala kang criminal liability. Now let us discuss the second one, partial extinction of criminal liability. Ang partial extinction of criminal liability ay tumutukoy sa mga sitwasyon kung saan hindi ganap na nawawala ang pananagutang kriminal ng isang tao, ngunit nabibigyan ng bawas o pagbabago ang parusa na naipataw sa kanya. Kailan naman may partial extinction? First, by conditional pardon. Second, by commutation of sentence. Third, for good conduct allowances which the culprit may earn while he is undergoing preventive imprisonment or serving his sentence. Ito yung tinatawag nating GCTA. Fourth, by probation. I-discuss po natin in detail bawat isa sa separate videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.